So friend, have you ever wondered what was the world like before the Iron Thrones? What excited before the dragon ruled the skies? And even before the Night King, what kind of world was the Westeros? Today we are going to talk about in Westeros that turned that itself into something immortal. Today we will of years ago, Westeros was nothing like we saw in the series. Homan did not rule the land. The children of the forest, the first living being of Westeros, were of the children of the Homan before the Night King and even before the dragon. They were not humans, small in height, wrinkled face, big deep eyes. They did not look humans. They were connected to nature itself. They lived with forest, trees, mountains, and river. They are power. Children of the forest had the magic connected to nature, the knowledge to create it in dragon glass, grazing from them. Why did they fight humans? When humans arrived in Westeros, they cut down forest. They killed children of the forest. They made one decision they should never have been made. They captured a human, tied him to a tree, and stabbed a dragon glass into his chest. In that moment, a human, because something else, his eyes turned blue, eyes felt his heart. The first White Worker was born. But here is the truth. White Workers were not enemies. They are weapons. The Night King, that first White Worker. Because the Night King, he was not longer human and not a normal creature. And they built the wall. The wall was filled with magic. But remember this, the wall was not built to keep monsters out. It was built to lock away an ancient mistake. Why did the White Worker return? Because humans repeated some mistake. They destroy nature again. They forget history. And when dragon returned, magic returned with him. The White Worker were not evil. They were balance. When the world because too broken, winter is returned. The real horror, the scattered thing is not the White Worker excited. The scattered thing is we are created theme. Game of Thrones teach us one truth, a greatest enemy of humanity is never someone else, it is away ourselves. So friend, if you enjoy deep and dark story of Game of Thrones, subscribe to Mohit Explained and don't forget to like the video because some stories are not meant to be forget.